So lately I have quite a few moms following me, and they're new moms, they just had babies, and they asked me for help to lose their belly and lose weight. So my very first question I really need you to check is whether you have diastasis recti or an abdominal separation. It is so common to have it. Like every single mom have diastasis when they carry their baby to full term, and 1/3 of them still have it at 3 months postpartum. It's so common, much more common than you think. And it's so simple to do a self-check. So there's a couple posts on my feed. Make sure you go self-check. It's literally just lying on the floor and you do a mini crunch, and then you're gonna feel your fingers along the belly to see how many fingers gap you can put in, like 3 fingers gap or 2 finger gaps between the abdominal muscles, and also how deep you can sink in. So that's my very first task for you if you wanted to lose weight. But if you're a new mom, let's make sure whether you have diastasis and how bad your diastasis is. And I assure you, you're not broken. You're not broken. You're totally fine. It's so normal. It's just that the muscle it's so weak from carrying your miracle baby, from carrying your loving baby, and that muscle is so stretched out along with there are fats, there are loose skin, and like the connective tissue. So we wanted to see how how stretched out they are by feeling the fingers, the finger test into your stomach to see how deep it goes in. Now the deeper it goes into your stomach, the deeper the more, I could say, severe the diastasis is. But that doesn't mean you're not going to be able to fix it. We have to fix it in a strategic way, step by step. You can't just go on the treadmill, or like go outside and do like go on a group class and do even like a postpartum general workout. They are just too not targeted enough for your core. We need to make sure your core is strengthened in a specific way. So that's why when you come in and say, how can you help me to lose weight and all of that, I'm not going to give you an exercise because I don't know where you're at with your journey. I need to make sure you looked at where you're at with your diastasis, whether you have it or not. And if you don't have it, or if you have just very little, maybe like 1 finger, maybe just like a little nail deep, that's amazing. That's so good. But if you, let's say 2 fingers, 3 fingers, and like a knuckle or more than a knuckle, like 2 knuckles deep, that's where you really need to start your foundation on your core first before doing anything else, before going on your bike, before going swimming, before like doing HIIT style weightlifting kind of workout. You need to do it strategically. Otherwise it could prompt you to having more pressure, and that pressure could go somewhere else, and you don't want it to aggravate that core muscles anymore, or like pushing down to your pelvic floor. Does that make sense? So if you want help without spending hours researching yourself, or like using your body to experience different exercises and not knowing whether you're doing it correctly, whether it would worsen your diastasis, and you want nutrition that is laid out for you, give you that guidance and meal plan, and if you want customized coaching, that is the key to healing your diastasis in the right way. You can do all these programs out there, all these free YouTube videos out there, but are they effective? Are they laid out in a way that is clear for your journey specifically? No. So let me know, DM me, and we will chat more about your conditions and how you are, where you are at right now. I don't take everybody on my program because I do train one-on-one, but I wanted to make sure you are the right fits. All right, talk to you later.